In this video, I am going to tell you how to download and activate Office 365 with your Microsoft Teams account. Open your browser and go to portal.office.com. Enter your account provided by ICPC. I will write a demo account for demonstration purposes. Enter your password. Click on Next. Enter your phone details. Once you register your mobile, it will not ask you again. I will skip this, so it may ask for phone details a few more times. Click on either Yes or No to continue. Click on Install and More. Click on Install Microsoft 365 app. As I mentioned earlier, this will prompt for additional information several times. However, if you provide the information, it will not ask you repeatedly. Click on Install Office. Select the destination and click on Save. Click to open the downloaded file. The setup may take some time depending on your internet and computer speed. Once the installation is completed, click on Close. Click on Start and open Microsoft 365. The welcome screen will display your 365 login account. Click on Continue to proceed. This will prompt you again to confirm your account for activation. Click on Next to proceed. Enter your password and click on Sign In. Again, this will ask for more required information. I will skip this. Click on OK to continue. Congratulations, we have done it. Click on Accept to agree to the license agreement. Thanks for watching.